Want to fix Instagram crashing on your device? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. First, you want to check if Instagram server are down. For that, you want to open up any web browser, head over to websites such as Down Detector. If there's a spike in the outage reports, the issue is on their end. In that case, you just want to wait a few hours and try again. If servers are fine, you want to clear or refresh the app. If you're on your Android device, you want to open up settings, then tap Apps. A list of all the applications will be shown. Go ahead and select Instagram from here. Now select Storage, then tap on the Clear Cache option. If the app is still crashing, you want to uninstall the application. After uninstalling it, head over to Play Store, search for Instagram, and then install it from here as well. Now log into your account and check if the problem is fixed. Normally, you should no longer see crashes when scrolling, watching reels, or uploading stories. However, if you are still facing issues, then you want to make sure your device is running the latest OS version. For that, open up your settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Software Update. If there is any update available, you simply want to update your OS to the latest version. Then restart your phone and then check. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.